I'm obsessed with sprouts these days. Wondering what I'm going to do with them today? Let's check it out. So today I have the A to Z guide on sprouts. Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani. Welcome to Rajshri Food, your ultimate destination for 100% vegetarian recipes. And let's get started. For the unaware, first let me tell you what sprouts are. Sprouts are basically these shoots that germinate from legumes, pulses, nuts, seeds, dals, etc. The best part about sprouting is that it increases the nutritional value and makes it easy for you to absorb all the nutrients and the minerals. So let me tell you how the entire sprouting process takes place. I've taken whole mung beans and also whole Bengal gram. And now I'm going to rinse these in water 2 to 3 times to get rid of any unwanted particles. As per my dietitian, Bengal gram sprouts are very high on iron and should be eaten with a generous squeeze of lemon. And as far as the mung beans are concerned, they are very high on protein. So add about 3 times the quantity of water. Soak these for about 6 to 7 hours or overnight, and just in case if you don't have that much time, don't worry. Here's a tip for you. In case you have about 4 to 5 hours to soak these pulses, what you can do is just add in hot water. After soaking them overnight, this is how your pulses are going to look. They've doubled in size and they're nice and soft as well. You can just press on them. Same here. And you can press on them. So now I'm going to show you 2 methods of sprouting. The first one is the traditional one, the kind that your moms have been using since ages. So take a muslin cloth or a cheesecloth or even a napkin is fine. Just moisten it slightly and now see what I do with it. Add your soaked pulses in the napkin and just get all the ends together. Just tie them up. Make a nice knot. Just leave them for about 18 to 20 hours and just remember one thing, sprinkle a little bit of water on the napkin because moisture is very important for sprouting. I have a sprout maker here. So I have the one with 2 containers. You also get with 3 or more containers. So it has 4 parts: the lid, container 1, container 2 and the base container. So the first step is add around half a cup of water in the base container. In one of the containers, spread your grains, pulses, seeds, whatever you're sprouting. Just remember to keep a little bit of the area around the red siphon cap empty. Sprinkle a little bit of water. Now the same way for my favorite Bengal gram, I'm going to spread them in the other container. Keep the area empty and sprinkle a little bit of water. Stack these containers one on top of the other. And now I'll tell you the right way to stack them. Do not place the red siphon caps one on top of the other. Make sure you place them in the opposite direction. Cover it with the lid. Keep this in a cool and dry space and just remember that that area should be nice and airy. Here I have some ready sprouts. Let's take a look. The shoots have germinated and these sprouts are ready to be stored. Storing sprouts is really easy. Take any container which has a lid. Fill it up with the sprouts. Cover it with the lid. And this is ready to go in a refrigerator and you can store this for at least a good 5 to 6 days. The the best way to consume these sprouts is by steaming them. Of course, the time will vary according to the sprouts that you're using. And some of the tough sprouts like Bengal gram, chickpeas, kidney beans or anything, you could even pressure cook them for 2 to 3 whistles. And of course, you can use these sprouts in a variety of recipes, salads being the most common one. You could even make protein bhel out of it or use them in sabzis. Do let me know what recipe you would want me to make with these sprouts in the comment section below. Subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.